all of Linux. Welcome back to another video. I'll show you how to get Krita on Linux. First thing you have to do is look up Krita download and download this app image. Save it. Okay, you already have it. Once it's done, what you would do is you right click, you go to the properties, permissions, allow executing files or program, and when you clicked it, you'll be brought up with the installer. So I hope you guys liked this video. With that being said, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell to never miss a video. Goodbye.